Hey folks, I was gonna take a nap, but might as well stay up because they're about ready to release the videos, the body cam videos of the 5 cops in Memphis that kidnapped and murdered that kid. Um, I searched into it, and they're asking if he had a police record, and I don't think he had a police record. I couldn't find anything. So, and would that matter? I mean, people have police records. They do their time, and it should be fucking wiped off. But it isn't wiped off. It's never expunged. They can go back. Even if you expunge your record, they can still look into it. So don't pay for expungement. It's just retarded. But yeah, they're about ready to drop this stuff, and this lady here, the chief of Memphis, she's trying to save face on it. She's like, oh, I've never seen such a horrific um, event. Really? You need to look at Memphis lately. There's a lot of horrific thing happening in Memphis. But yeah, I'm probably going to cover the drop of the video. I think it's coming in 4 parts. But yeah, Brian Young from Here's the Deal is live right now, and he's reporting on it. But yeah, if you don't check out my channel, at least get some other channel to look at because this is really huge. These cops are so bad nowadays. I keep trying to tell you people this. They don't care. They will kill you in a heartbeat and get qualified immunity. Qualified immunity has to go. It has to go. So, if you guys don't know what qualified immunity is, basically it's they can kill you and they don't get charged for it because they're protected. Qualified immunity allows them to walk around like assholes all the time and do shit to you, and they're protected because if you sue them, you're not suing them. You're suing your neighbors, your people, your other taxpayers are standing right next to you. So qualified immunity allows you to sue directly to them. They need insurance. They need to have these cops get retrained, get their own insurance, because I think what's going to happen is under Title 18 and 42, it's 193, I think is 18 is 190 or 1983, and Title 42 is 241 and 242. Basically, if we take away qualified immunity, that's all hunky-dory. But if we apply these two titles to an event, at the end of that title, you need to read both of those. We can actually have these people killed. These cops that kill people, eye for an eye. Read it. Yeah, we need, I'm not all about murder and all that shit. Don't even go there, but I'm telling you right now, something needs to be done that they're scared enough that they think about it before they start just murdering men and women of this country. I know eventually they got to face their maker or whatever the heck, but that ascension's only going down for them. But yeah, I thought I'd drop another one. I'm still tired, but the neighbor's blasting his Mexican music, and I kind of like it, but I'm tired right now. But yeah, I'll probably go over this, and I think they're going to drop it at 7 o'clock my time, Eastern Standard Time. What do you guys think about all this? You think that cops are awesome now? You really think that cops are just the most bestest in the world, and they have all good intentions? Ugh. You think that, huh? 6 months of training and they get a gun to kill someone? And then they get qualified immunity if they actually do kill someone? And if they get fired, they just go to another station? Yeah. Wake up, America. We need to get rid of this. And the only thing in the Constitution is sheriffs, because they're elected and we know who they are, and their intent, and their family, and their dog. A cop, a policeman was never in the Constitution. Read the Constitution. And none of these military shit was in the Constitution either. Only the Navy to protect our borders. Yeah. 1776 is rising again. Or maybe not. Maybe people just like, oh, China just took over. We're all good. And I guess apparently nobody's going to go out in the middle of the ocean and go check out Russia's ship that's out there off of Delaware, and there apparently there's a no-fly zone right over. Oh, right over the ship, right over the ship. Oy, oy, oy. People just sit there and watch the MSM, and they're like, "Oh, I didn't hear about that. You must have found that on that internet thing." Yep, I sure did, because these are real people. Brian Young, all these people I watched, they're real people. I don't know these people that are reading a script. They're not journalists. They're not reporters. They're actors. MSM, Fox, NBC, CNN. They're all actors reading a script. Oy, oy, oy. I'm yelling because I'm tired. I'm sorry. All right, guys. But yeah, I might go live about 7 o'clock my time. Thanks for listening.